जी, चलिए इस बीच नतीजे आए हैं मोतीलाल ओसवाल के, और उस नतीजों पे मैनेजमेंट क्या कह रही है ये भी सुन लेते हैं।
Bottom of the cycle in broking business. Hopefully things don't turn very nasty in the quarters ahead, and we hope to see some recovery in latter part of the year because monsoons are very good, and we have seen all kinds of bad news right now, and apart from inflation now current account deficit issue has also come up. So my sense is that second half on the backdrop of political turnaround, hopefully things will be better for the business. As far as non-broking business is concerned, asset management fees were 13 crores. I mean down about 18% year on year, purely because of weak sentiment in portfolio management services and all across the asset management business. And we had lumpy receipts from the private equity business, which is going to continue in this year also. So overall, for the whole year, I think things will be much better than Q1 for this business. Other businesses, IB, which is very important part of our broking offering to the corporate world, and that remained very muted in Q1. But we have a very strong pipeline, and we think that rest of the year will be much better than the Q1, and we'll see recovery from that segment slowly picking up. So that will contribute to the. It's a high margin business, very high operating leverage. So my sense is that second half will be much better, and overall the year should look significantly better. Fund-based activities, because balance sheet is largely cash. We have about 1240 crores of net worth. Of that, almost 50-60% is deployed into the kind of interest yielding assets. So that has gone up by about 18%, combination of larger balance sheet and better yield. So that continues to do well, and we have a buyback program right now in progress. 62% of, am I correct?
Yeah, 62%.
62% of the promised program of about 7.5 million shares. About 4.7 million shares have been already bought, and it is on daily basis. It is on progress. We hope to complete it very quickly. So I think that's the summary of operations for Q1.
तो यहाँ रामदेव अग्रवाल बताते हुए कि मोतीलाल ओसवाल के संदर्भ में कि पाइपलाइन काफ़ी स्ट्रांग है, गोइंग फॉरवर्ड जो रेस्ट ऑफ द ईयर का आउटलुक है वो काफ़ी बेटर देख रहे हैं। इसके अलावा जो कंपनी के नेटवर्क है वहाँ पर भी कंपनी काफ़ी स्ट्रांग पोजीशन होल्ड करती है। बायबैक प्रोग्राम प्रोग्रेस में है। रिजल्ट्स की बात करें तो यहाँ पर कंपनी के मुनाफे में 6.5% गिरावट देखने को मिली है। आय मार्जिनल यहाँ पर फ्लैटिश रुझान रही है। वहीं इस बीच थर्मैक्स के शेयर पर नजर डालते हैं।